Hey y'all, hey, let's get to this cleaning video today. I started off with doing laundry, and then I moved on to like cleaning the dining room, but for some reason the footage was lost. So when y'all get to that part, it's probably gonna be like cut in half. I'll do better next time. I tried to like save all the cleaning footage that I could for like the week, but yeah. So I hope y'all enjoyed. I do miss y'all. I haven't been posting any videos. I've been preparing for surgery. I sound terrible right now because I had my surgery yesterday. My surgery videos will start going out in probably like a week. I don't know. But love y'all. See y'all in the next video. Okay? Bye. So I just want to know, what do y'all use when y'all clean y'all's couch? Like, I just use hot water and like a little bit of Dawn dish soap and like a little bit of pine sol so the smell could stick. But yeah, what do y'all use to clean y'all's couch? Because I don't know, sometimes like I just feel like even though I use the pine sol for the smell don't really be smelling like nothing. So y'all help me, okay? Before y'all start with me, I use two different towels because I know somebody's going to say something about the towels. I used one towel for the countertop and the sink, and then I used another towel for the toilet. And no, I did not use gloves. Judge your mama, not me, okay? I did use the Clorox wipes to clean the little accessories for the countertop because why not? You know what I'm saying? I was going to like wash them like I wash dishes, but y'all, I don't know. Don't know what I had going on this day, but I was ready to get this over with, honey. Because I don't know if I told y'all, but I really do not like doing cleaning videos. I think I said this in another video, but it just takes too much time to, like, record cleaning videos. Like, I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. But I know, like, I clean up at, like, random times of the day. So just whipping my phone out to record me cleaning up, I don't know, it's too much. Like, I just be wanting to clean it up and get it done with. So yeah, don't judge my cleaning or the cleaning video because I know it's all over the place. Okay, bye. I did mop the floor after this, but I didn't record this part because I started mopping in the kitchen and stuff after I did laundry. So, yeah. Here y'all go. Bye.